variety, variation, in the same way that you understand all of the variation in notes and beats and music, all of those vibrations or variations and more are present in color and art.
Okay.
In other words, there's harmony in the color palette, just like there's harmony in the music palette. There is depth and intensity and the exploration and discovery of the infinite possibilities of combining leaves you never ending in your ability to create something yet again that will please you, and yet again that will please you, and yet again that will
Sometimes it's the person I want to be, sometimes the person I don't want to be, and sometimes it just does exactly what it's supposed to do. Music gets me pumped. Music makes me sad. Music gives me a gut feeling sometimes so strong it runs through my chest. It's a strong emotional connection. I feel connected to myself and the universe. We're one at that moment. The blurred feelings of life, past and future don't matter. The moment is where I want to be. Music centers my soul. Even when I feel shitty, music always picks me up. I miss you.